Buthi umqeqeshi ke la owine iPirates Cup nguIvan Kunene ngumtimande yakwazi ukuqhubeka mfana kethi uyibize nje lezi itakazela ayibize mfana
bambulunye ngathi singabambile izizwe nekabonina ninakuhlala kuhlangana kodwa uthafile bahlangana
bambulunye mtimande buthi ngiyafisa manje ukwazi ukuthi nifika la kule tournament niqala bekunjani ucabangela ukuthi ningazithola niku final
no like ukufika ku final it was a plan ukufika ku final so ngicabanga ukuthi in this season ukuthi we take each and every game as it goes so we take one game at a time that's why the boys have reached that final you see so I think the boys fought because they knew what is expected from them. So yeah, I think
And when in sometimes you get so frustrated on the bench. Was it because mhlambe abadlali bebenganiki lokhu enikhulume ngakho?
No, it's just according to instructions whether who to mark, where to shift. That's why you saw us being frustrated at some point. That's what frustrated us the most.
Iqembu leli nilihlanganise nini because ngiyeza ukuthi yes ilirumo iqembu vele sazi ukuthi likhona but abadlali laba ninabo ngiyeza ukuthi hey nihlanganisa senihlanganisa nifike kanjani la nihlanganisa so fast bese nikhipha iqembu elinje
I think it took us 2.5 weeks to get what we have.
2.5 weeks.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think it was a short one where we had to choose certain positions, but at the end of the day, I think it worked out. It worked out very nicely because now I believed in the players that I selected, so they fought for the best.
Nibathatha phi labadlali? Amagasi.
Our players actually are from Northwest. We took players from Rustenburg, Vryburg, Lethabong. Yeah.
Okay. Bese size kuwe ke mfoka Ivan mina ngifuna ukwazi. Indaba ye coaching le kuwe iqala nini? Ngoba ubona usemncane nasenkundleni ubusengangena.
Coach aqala I think I was in high school.
Okay.
Doing grade 11 if I'm not mistaken.
Wafunda kuphi?
Minerva High School.
Minerva?
Yes.
Alex. Ubustothi now?
So coaching so I fell in love with football and then I decided to let me give it a try because I have the likes of Tebogo Mlo. I've been coaching through schools tournament so I got the likes to know Tebogo Mlo. So those are the people that pushed me very hard behind my back. No, go for this. And I want to thank everyone who was behind me, who supported me. I thank you very much. So that's why my coaching is.
What does this win mean to you? It's a big one, Mfanagitu. What does it mean to these boys?
I think for the boys it meant a lot because they wanted it at first. They believed in themselves they will take this tournament. So I guess they believed in themselves. That's why they won the tournament. So yeah.
Coaching kakhulu siyaye kuthiwe coach makayesgela and all that. Are you also considering to la ma license mhlambe ke ikono usuyiphethe?
Yeah, I'm having my D license. I'm pushing for C license.
Oh, you've got the D license as we speak.
Yes.
No, mqeqeshi eyokugcina bendlala nePirates. Surely that one it was challenging. It's a big team enisuke ndlala nayo. Yintwana ezidlala ku TDC, but nazitshela ukuthi you are matching them pound for pound. What was your message to the boys, especially mandlala nePirates final?
Just told my boys that it's Orlando Pirates. So I think I told them that it's Orlando Pirates, so they have to give themselves first respect because now they're playing against Pirates, and so Pirates is the big team, you know that even myself I support Orlando Pirates. So I think the boys played well. I just told them that be yourself. How they enjoy football. It's whether you play against Pirates, you play against Umsinga, just be yourself and enjoy football.
Ngaqeshi isikhathi sakho sokucelebrate lesi siyabonga kakhulu mfethu ngesikhathi sakho. Thank you.